In this lesson, you'll learn a simple 4-step hack for writing dark and dissonant bass lines. But first, tea.
Hello revolutionary music makers, I'm Kate Harmony, this is Ray Harmony, and welcome to Hack Music Theory.
The fast, easy, and fun way to make music.
If you're new to theory, or if you just want a refresher, then read our free book, 12 Music Theory Hacks to Learn Scales and Chords.
You'll be able to instantly apply these hacks to your songwriting and producing. So head on over to hackmusictheory.com right after this lesson and download your free PDF.
Alright, it's time to open your DAW to Hack Music Theory.
We invite you to work along with us through the following steps, so by the end of this lesson, you'll also have a finished bass line.
Step 1. Setup.
Start by setting up 2 bars of 4/4 on your bass track with your grid set to 16th notes and your tempo set to 80 BPM.
After you've finished writing your bass line though, play it at a few different tempos and find the BPM that works best.
Step 2. Rhythm.
Now it's time to write a rhythm that's gonna get those heads bopping. So, using only 16th notes and lots of rests, draw a rhythm that gets you moving. We'll be using C as our root note, so for now, draw in all your notes on C.
Once you got something down, loop up your 2 bars and put it on repeat. Does your rhythm get you pumped? If not, then keep playing around, because writing a great rhythm is an essential step in writing a great bass line. Here's ours. Step 3. Mode.
Next, it's time to choose a scale or mode that will reflect the mood you want to convey through your bass line.
We chose the Phrygian mode as we felt like writing a heavy bass line that's dark and dissonant. And the notes in C Phrygian are C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, and B flat. Be sure to use the D flat in your bass line, as that note is what gives Phrygian its dark sound.
You can choose any mode though, it all depends on what vibe you want to create. The steps in this lesson are still applicable.
And if you need help learning all the modes and their unique emotions, as well as how to use them, then check out the mode hacks in our songwriting and producing PDF. Or if you prefer watching videos, you can watch the online course instead.
Step 4. Melody.
Now that you've written your rhythm and you've chosen a mode, it's finally time to get stuck into the melodic element of your bass line. So have some fun and play around with moving the notes up or down on the MIDI grid, but always double check that every note you've moved off the root is in your chosen mode.
And be sure to keep at least a few notes on C, as playing the root note is vital in anchoring your bass line into the mode. That's the only way you're going to tap into its emotion. Also, try to create a contour for your bass line that spans an octave or more, as a big range like that will help prevent your bass line from getting boring.
Finally, when you're happy with all the notes in your bass line, you can extend some of them so they're not all 16th notes anymore, and try to use a variety of note values, as that will make your bass line even more interesting.
And it's as easy as that. Now you've got a dark and dissonant bass line.
And just before we play the final example, we want to say a heartfelt thank you for being here in the Hack Music Theory community. You are valued and appreciated.
Enjoy the music, and we're excited to hang out with you again soon.